Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to install NVM, that is Node Version Manager, in a Windows machine. So why is it useful, Node Version Manager? So this helps us to install multiple versions of Node in a Windows system, in a system, and use a specific version of Node to specific projects. So to make it simple, install multiple version of Node in a system, Node Version Manager is used. So to install it, just type nvm and select the GitHub link. Scroll towards bottom and you will find nvm Windows. So there you'll find a download now button here, link here. Just click on it and you'll have to download this setup.exe. So once the download is completed, just open downloads folder and install it. It is an usual installation process. So download is completed actually. Just double click. That's it. So nvm is installed now. So to confirm whether this is installed properly, we'll open a command window and type nvm space list. So this command will list all the version numbers of node that has been installed inside this nvm. So no installations recognized. It is nothing but no node version has been installed till now because we have just installed nvm now and we'll install node version, any node version that is required. Nvm install. This command will install latest version of node in the system. So the download has been completed and installed successfully. So by this way, we can install any number of node versions in same system. Same command nvm install version number, that's it. So now if we type nvm list, so you'll find the version that is just installed is listed here. So this is how nvm has to be installed in a system.